First layer to the airport.
And in the second and the third one.
If you're wondering how to fly from -5 degrees to 30 degrees, don't fly like that. We packed everything. We hope we're not overweight. Overweight? We're not overweight. We have 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Next place.
I'm working here. I'm an employee.
No, seriously, it's crazy. You need to put the sticker on the luggage, and you're doing everything.
Sticker, and we didn't. Nobody tells us what to do.
How to use
nobody
it.
Teach me,
Anyway, we have a long line, and we reach really before. But Jamaica, here we go. Bar, are you excited?
Actually, yeah.
Me too. This is the line to Jamaica. No, actually, it's not to Jamaica, but like, I feel like half of the people here are going to Jamaica.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Maybe Aruba. So we have 2 hours to the flight to Jamaica, so we decided to eat some salad, because we're healthy, and in Jamaica it costs $1 million and we don't have vegetables. So
It's not only because of this, it's the most amazing choice here around this.
yeah, you don't have anything. Salad. So we ordered Starbucks, which was... How was the Starbucks?
I don't want to use words that I don't want to use.
No, people, it was disgusting. I used to drink Starbucks with caramel. So I don't feel the taste of the coffee. But now
how do you bake the thing? Like tastes sweet.
you put sweet or salt. And now we need to go to our flight to Montego Bay. Who are we going to see in Jamaica?
What do you think?
No, I'm asking them. Who is coming to Mumbai?
Uh-huh. Come to Mumbai, huh, people?
Yeah, let's go to the flight. What gate are we? What about all this? So, take it.
We would like to ask all caution to please find waiting gate number 15. Door is closing in 4 minutes for flight 223 to Los Angeles.
Okay, so we have here Kingston, Jamaica. No, this is not us. Where are we? Find for me, Mommy. Where? Down. 19 boarding. Let's go. Got stuck. Who wanna come and help us? Okay, 19 is there. Now we're going to see all the Jamaican, It's nice to go to a flight and then you see the culture before you're even in the country. Looks nice. And we are ready. When we see all the people, when there was two, we miss Jamaica. Bar went there to speak about the luggage with her. Hello. Yeah? Bar, show him.
Let me know.
Let me offer. So where are you going to be in Jamaica? Only Ochi? No.
Actually, Ochi.
Only Ochi?
Agua, Buelas, Mandalay.
How many times have you been in Jamaica? Second time? You said 3-4 times a year.
Yeah, I go.
You need to take him. Every time.
You need to be original Jamaican.
If he's in school, he can go.
You're still in school? Huh? When? December?
Last month.
So you cannot have alcohol here in the States.
Yeah,
But in Jamaica you can. It's 15 plus. Jamaica, we started the travel, huh?
yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica.
Welcome to Jamaica.
We go on the plane.
Because I'm not
If you know how many times we landed here in this airport, you don't even understand. But look at the view.
I think something like 6 times, no?
More.
Because
We had like flights. This is my 4th time, but then on second, 6 yesterday I did 6, 7 times. Crazy. Look at this. Look.
beautiful island, you know.
Look at the beauty. When you see that outside of your window, when you're just landing in a country, you want to travel in the country.
True. You want to see the river,
Oh,
the beaches.
Jamaica. We started.
כמובן שכולם בהירים.
Damn. Tell us, who are these people? Tell us. Tell us. Why Vibes Cartel is not? Chanel is calling.
איך ג'מייקה התפתחה טירון. פתאום אפשר לשרוף דרכונים, אפשר לעבור. עכשיו השאלה היא אם זה בגלל שבאנו מאמריקה או בגלל שהם פשוט התפתחו.
Welcome to Jamaica. Where is JetBlue? 3. Where's 3? 3 is there, Bar.
Huh?
JetBlue is there.
רק רוצה להראות לכם כמה ג'מייקה התפתחה מאז הפעם האחרונה שנחתתי בה.
Welcome to Jamaica. Yo, it's so hot. Where is Bar? I lost Bar. Bar is struggling with all the luggage. It's getting hot in here. Yala, where is our chauffeur? How should I recognize him? If I can't. We are here. It's so exciting. Where Chanel should come from. It's like we haven't seen Chanel for 4 or 5 months, and now we're going to visit him. תעשי את אותו סטורי אולי לצד השני, שהתאורה ממש יפה. כן. נכון, אבל התאורה הרבה יותר יפה. I think this is Chanel. הנה צ'ניל! Look at this! Hello to our chauffeur. Chen is happy after the winter, the difficult winter. Why? I'm שברו את הקטנות. They broke my luggage, so I have a bit of difficulty, but let's
Put this
first
this on the back seat, maybe.
see.
And hold. Ah, wow.
Yeah, there is no wheel. No wheel. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica.
Let's do it quick.
We're going to eat now?
We can go to,
Huh?
we can go to Fairview and you can go to
What?
We can go to Fairview at
Fairview is the Fontana and all this.
yeah.
Osha needs the car now.
Okay.
Now.
לא הולכים לעבור.
זה הפיירביו. גם לי. Going to eat first.
איך אני נוחתת פה? בא לי איטלקי. Yo, it was one kid there on the plane that he... תראה, איזה תחנת אוטובוס.
Listen, Jamaica
Jamaica התפתחה.
developed.
You saw that there was a machine that you scan your passport and the address?
It's
Wow.
new.
I
Last
was
year it
excited.
wasn't there. It's so crazy how they are developing themselves.
Yo, crazy.
I haven't seen much. Like they are really developing and they did a lot into it.
Yeah.
They have a whole highway and a lot of stuff that's like they even built like
I'm afraid if you want to be in Jamaica, you need to come now before they are developing everything
Yeah.
to see the raw.
Because now it's still beautiful.
In 3-4 years,
I hope that they will not ruin the island.
with a lot of tolls. Oh, look at your beautiful car. Yo, you don't understand how we are excited to be here, and we'll go to the beach tomorrow. Bye. I hope no one will steal my phone, but we're going now to eat food, some pasta because Bar doesn't want to eat Jamaican food right now because we'll have 4 weeks of Jamaican food.
I'm good with the eating pasta now.